All right, we just arrived here at Universal Orlando at Royal Pacific. So when you first walk in the room, there is the bathroom with the sink, a little bit of storage underneath, and then there's a sliding door that leads into the shower and toilet area. Across from the sink is the closet with the in-room safe, ironing board. It's actually a pretty decent sized closet. From here, you head into the main bedroom area. This room has a 2 queen bed configuration. Very lush outdoor area. Over here by the TV is going to be the mini fridge. It's a lot smaller. It's not very big, but I think it'll hold enough just to have some convenience in the room. And then there's the coffee maker and some supplies and a little bit of storage, but there's not actually that much storage. Those drawers are actually a lot bigger than I expected. So those can easily fit a packing cube. Over here is a desk, lamp, pretty mural, little seating area, and then over here is a side table and a chair. Overall, the room is really pretty. I like the styling of it. It's a little smaller than I expected. It's definitely smaller than the rooms at Portofino for a standard room. I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of our Loews Royal Pacific Resort Standard View room at Universal Orlando. Thanks for following along, and I can't wait to share our next stay with you.